Pharmacy Federation. So for today's presentation, today is a research category. So for today's presentation, I'm happy to introduce Dr. Tahur Gurjit Singh, Associate Dean from Chitakara University, Punjab. Ms. Rituraj Gaur, Principal, Aishwarya College of Pharmacy, Rajasthan. And Dr. B. Wilson, Dayananda Sagar University, Bangalore. So we'll welcome you all. So over to Chavi to continue.
Good evening to all the evaluators, and thank you, Dr. Kainrajan, for starting the poster presentation for 7 day and all the participants. So I would request all the participants and evaluators to switch on their camera when they are speaking and a good internet connectivity. If you're not having a good internet connection, then you will be given a chance at the end. 420 ENS 427. Please, you can go ahead with your presentation. So please share the screen for 427.
Please, judges note, this is 427.
Okay. Good evening. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. But yeah, you're visible too. Please go ahead.
Mr. Ramesh, kindly share the screen for 427.
Just wait for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, sir is sharing your screen.
Yeah.
Your poster.
So Ramesh, it is 427. You can share. Yes, you can proceed.
Pullareddy College of Pharmacy, Hyderabad. Currently pursuing my M.Pharmacy in Pharmaceutical Analysis. I thank PharmaNest for giving me this opportunity to present my e-poster on stability indicating method development and validation for determination of related substances of citrulix acetate injection by reverse phase HPLC. Citrulix acetate is a luteinizing hormone releasing hormone antagonist, which is nothing but the gonadotrophin releasing hormone antagonist, which acts by preventing the secretion of gonadotrophin, that is LH and FSH, in dose dependent manner. It is available in the market by the trade name Citriotide, and it is official in European Pharmacopoeia. Citrulix is used to treat infertility and also hormone sensitive cancers. This development and validation is carried out at Virco Biotech Private Limited. The method is used as HPLC method, that is high performance liquid chromatography method, in which reverse phase is used. Reverse phase where mobile phase is polar and stationary phase is non-polar. Materials: citrulix acetate was procured from Virco Biotech Private Limited, Gagalapur, Hyderabad. For every method, we need optimized chromatographic conditions where it should be followed throughout the validation process. Stationary phase, that means the column used in the HPLC is Zodiac C18 150 into 4.6 mm, that is 3 micron size. Mobile phase A, OPA, orthophosphoric acid, triethylamine, and water in the ratio 1:19:80. And mobile phase B, ACN 100%. Instrument used is thermoscientific HPLC with UV and DAD detector. Detector wavelength is optimized with 220 nanometer. Flow rate of 1 ml per minute. Retention time 70 minutes and injection volume is 100 microliter. Validation is carried by the following parameters. System suitability. System suitability is the parameter where we check our asymmetry, percent RSD, and plate count. Here we can see Citrulix has been validated for system suitability, where asymmetry was found to be 0.89 and percent RSD 1.8, which was found to be within the limit. System precision is done to check the result, where the system suitability results are half So system precision is 1.7. LOD and LOQ are performed too. Precision is the repeatability of the 6 samples done, which was found to be 2.99. Accuracy is nothing but the recovery, which was found to be 98.7%. Linearity, we check the coefficient correlation and white intercept along with the slope. Range is the upper and the lower limit of the sample. Here are the chromatograms of the blank and also the standard. Conclusion, we can conclude that the method was validated as per ICH guidelines. Statistical analysis proved that method was precise, reducible, selective, specific, linear, and accurate for the analysis of citrullic acetate and its impurities. All the results were acceptable and confirmed that this can be used for the use in routine quality analysis. These are the references. Thank you.
I would now request evaluators to proceed with the questions.
Like you have given that this is basically a validation method, but you have written the stability indicating methods. You can explain more going from the stability and then we go for the shelf life of the product. But I don't
Yes,
think
sir.
so. In your whole presentation, you have shown anything about the stability.
Yes, sir. Actually, yeah. The stability indicating method actually related substances. That means the impurities present in the sample may cause may cause degradation of any sample present. So stability indicating method is being developed, but I couldn't include in this because of the space. So stability indicating was done for all the situations like hydrolysis, oxidation, thermal stability studies, all moisture studies. Everything was performed and it was found to be stable.
Did you find any degraded products during your analysis, during your HPLC studies? Uh, I found any degraded products. You said stability studies and all you have done.
No, sir. No degradation products. No degradation was found to be. It passed all the tests.
Then what are all the related substances of the drug?
So there are no known impurities. There are all unknown impurities.